Howdy ho there, friends and neighbors. Bobby here today. Hey folks, today I'm going to be making a follow-up review video on the 30-second outdoor cleaner, okay? And here's the product that I'm talking about right here. I've got a 2.5 gallon container of it that the good people at 30-second outdoor cleaner sent me. I'm going to show you how to mix this stuff up properly, and I have picked out 4 different nasty, moldy, mildewy items around the house in the outdoors to try this stuff on today. So stay tuned. Okay folks, real quick, okay, before we get out and get started, I just want to discuss the mixture of these two components. Component 1 being the 30-second outdoor cleaner, component 2 being water, okay? The ratio to mix this is 1:1. So we're going to go ahead and mix this up some more in our little Roundup sprayer here. We'll put a gallon of our 30-second cleaner in and a gallon of water and get started. Now let's run out here and I'm going to show you the 4 items that we're going to clean today. Okay, the first item we're going to be working on today is this brick. From the ground up to about probably 3 foot high. We'll work a section here about 6 to 8 foot long, okay? As you can see, there's a lot of mildew and mold growing on my brick here down at the bottom. There's also some red clay stains on there, and we'll even actually bring it over here to this windowsill where this stuff here is really green and nasty. We'll clean maybe over to here, okay? That'll be our first little experiment today. Our second experiment will be cleaning the back of this old van that's been sitting in my driveway for years that I need to get rid of. But as you can see, it's got its share of mildew and tree sap and everything else on it. So that'll be our second experiment. Okay guys, our third experiment will be this back corner of the back of my garage. As you can see, this is pretty nasty, okay? If you look at this boxing and everything, you see it's got mildew and everything all over it, okay? And this will be, after I get done painting the house, this will be my next project to paint. So we'll go ahead and clean a section of it, maybe all the way to the ground. But anyway, we'll show you. That'll be our third experiment. Okay guys, our fourth experiment will be a section of this wooden fence, okay? As you can see, it is really nasty. I don't think I've ever cleaned it since I've lived here. I'm actually ashamed to tell you that. But we'll clean a section of that for you too for our fourth experiment. Okay guys, on a dry surface, we're gonna go ahead and start putting on our cleaner onto this area of brick. We're going to wet this whole area up and let it sit at least 15 minutes. The cleaner has only been on here for less than a minute, and you can already see that the mildew and mold is already starting to dissipate. Right up here on this ledge where it was this ugly green just a minute ago, you can already see that that's already starting to dissolve. Okay folks, while we're waiting on the 30-second cleaner to work its magic on test number 1, let's move on over to test number 2. Start applying some of this to the back of this old ugly van. Okay guys, after only a few minutes of this product on here, you can see that everything that was a dark green has turned to kind of a beige color, and it's real loose. I think the pressure washer is just going to knock this off with ease here in just a few minutes, friends. Amazing. Okay, we're going to move to the backyard for test number 3, which is going to be the back corner of this garage. And we'll go ahead and start spraying this material on here. Okay, the product's been on there about a minute. I want to show you this one little spot. I don't know if you recall how dirty and nasty right there at the bottom of that boxing was, but it's already just melted away. So everything is already starting to dissolve. Probably just a regular water hose would be able to wash a house good enough to go ahead and start painting. But since we have a pressure washer, you know, we're definitely going to use that. So this little section here has been treated from about right there over to there, and we'll come back here in a little bit with the pressure washer. Let's move on to test number 4. Okay, for test number 4, our fence, we're going to start right here, maybe treat 4 or 5 boards. We're going to start spraying this on here. Yeah, we'll go over about that far right there. And we'll go ahead and go all the way to the bottom on each one real good, and we'll show you the results of that as well. Okay, the product has been on there about a minute and a half, 2 minutes, and you can already see a huge difference, okay? I mean, the boards are actually starting to turn a lighter color and look more like wood instead of like that right there that we didn't do. It just kills that mold and mildew and all that fungus and everything that's on there. This is going to look like brand new wood when we hit it with a pressure washer. Guys, the pressure washer is hooked up. I'm going to fire this thing up. We're going to get busy cleaning so we can show you some results. Now for test number 3, the back side of the garage. Let's get it done. Okay guys, I have one more test that we're going to do today. I was asked by Mint Hill Tina to actually clean up her dog carrier that she has. It's been sitting outside for a while, and as you can see, it's pretty nasty, okay? So we're going to try to hook this thing up. We're going to spray it down, let it sit a few minutes, and get it cleaned up too, and we'll show you that in our results as well. Okay guys, before we get to the results of all of our testing today, it's time for a MintHillBilly commercial break, okay? So guys, if you're not a subscriber already, please subscribe if you wish to. Also, we've recently opened up a Patreon account. If you would like to become a member of and become a patron, you can do that for as little as $1 a month. I try to offer my patrons a little bit of behind the scenes footage, some bloopers and somewhat, and believe me, I did a lot of bloopers today while I made this video. Anyway, there will be a link down below if you'd like to become a patron. Also, we are giving away this DeWalt tool set on June 1st, okay? Anyone that's a patron will be in the drawing to win that. Also, if you would like to follow us on Facebook, there will be a link down below to do that as well. Also, there will be some links to the 30-second outdoor cleaner as well off of Amazon if you would like to purchase some of this stuff as well. And I think after you see these results, you're probably going to want to do that. So stay tuned for the results and the end of the video. Okay guys, it's time for some results. First of all, let's show you Mint Hill Tina's pet carrier. As you remember, it had a bunch of crud up here on top, and the inside was real nasty. And there's stuff even back there on the back wall. That looks nice, guys. It cleaned up really nice. 30-second cleaner and a pressure washer worked great on the pet cleaner, on the pet taxi. It says right there, pet taxi. Okay, here's test number 1, guys. If you remember, there was a bunch of crud and mold and mildew and red clay stains on all my brick. And that is looking a lot better. Okay, right there, that's looking awesome. Remember over here? Oh, look where I stopped. See where that green junk is? That's where I stopped. That's where I didn't spray the cleaner. I didn't clean. Right there is what it looks like now. Right up here on top, you remember it used to look like that, all nasty, and there's the results right there after doing the cleaning and the pressure washing. So I'm very happy with the results that I've gotten here today with the 30-second cleaner on project number 1. Okay, test number 2, the old van that sits in the driveway and doesn't run. Look at there, it looks brand new. Look at that paint. That is awesome. Check it out. All that nastiness is gone. I'm gonna go ahead and finish cleaning the rest of this thing up today. Hey, if anybody wants to buy this thing, 500 bucks. Take it as is, 500 bucks. Get in contact with me. Okay, for test number 3, we're here at the back of the garage. And you remember all the junk that was underneath the boxing and everything? All that's nice and clean now. Let's go right back up here to where I stopped cleaning. See all the black junk? Right here, you don't see all the black junk. Nice and clean. Right around this corner board of this boxing, that there was black a while ago. And that first piece of soffit on this end of the house was black too. See, look just like that. So this here definitely turned out good. All the way down the siding, cleaned up really nice. I just cleaned a strip, about 4 foot wide all the way down to the ground. And over here is what it looked like before. Let's move on to test number 4. Okay guys, can you tell what boards I cleaned? Yes, you can. Look at here. It looks like brand new wood. I think this is probably the most impressive result that we get when we use this cleaner is on wooden fences. And if you've seen in my other video, I was so proud of my other gate after I cleaned it. That's before, and that is after, guys. And it's so easy, you just spray it on there, it melts away. Take a few minutes pressure washing, and you'll have wood that looks like brand new. Okay guys, hey, that's the end of our video today. Hopefully you enjoyed the results of our video. And if you want to stick around, I'm going to post some before and after pictures as well. So they're going to start right now.